Welcome to the Dalton McCaughey Library. This short video is designed for online students to explain how to access the vast online resources available to you while you study. Our library team is here to help you, even from afar. And if you still require further assistance after this video, one of our team would be delighted to arrange a personal Zoom tutorial to answer any specific questions you might have. In this particular video, you will learn how to search for online resources, focusing on accessing ebooks and online journal articles. If you are visiting from our website, click on Library Catalogue in the navigation bar. Before conducting a search, be sure to log into your DML account. Once you have logged in, find the search dialog box. Above, there are two tabs, Library Catalogue and Combined Search. The most useful tab for students wishing to access online materials is the Combined Search, which will give you results for all materials that the library has in both print and online. After clicking on Combined Search, type a short and broad subject into the dialog box. For example, if I have a research question on the use of the word logos in the Gospel of John, I can type logos in John. At this point, you may need to sign in again to view the search results. As you can see, I have 41,689 results from my combined search. That's more than I have time to sift through, so now I will refine my search further using the Filters button. I like to select Online Full Text, and for the date range, I prefer results from within the last 5 years. For source type, I want online resources only, so I'm going to select academic journals and ebooks. Finally, English is the most useful language to me to see results in, so I'm going to select that under language. Now I have 3,806 results, which is much more manageable, and I can always go back and refine further if I need to. To access an ebook from your search list, click the View Details button. Under Access Options, click EPUB Full Text. You can now read the text in your browser and also download one chapter to your device. But even if you download a chapter, you can keep coming back to read the ebook in your browser at any time. Another helpful tool you can find on this page is the Citation tool found at the top right-hand bar. Select the citation style that you want and copy the text across to your computer for later use. Next to this tool, you can also save the ebook to read later. Your saved items will appear under the dashboard in the left-hand side navigation page. The process for accessing e-journals is very simple. From your search list, click the Access Now PDF button. Again, you can directly download the whole article to your computer. And don't forget to use the handy citation tool so that you have all the details ready to use in your assignment bibliography. Well, we hope you now feel ready to use the online library materials to aid your study. All the best with your research, and don't forget to reach out to the library team if there's any way that we can help you.